What is up, everybody? I am going to show you guys how to do my work today. So what I'm about to do is my work, and so let's get into it. I might read out loud. Would you guys like me to do read aloud? Hold on, you guys. Something's not right. It's like I can't. Oh, it's low. That's why. Okay, that's why. Okay, I couldn't hear myself. But anyways, what I am going to be doing today is art for now. So here is a good way to get your work done just a tad bit faster, not too fast, but it's a good method that I use. So first, I will always go to here to my hold on, I gotta get you guys set up. Because originally I wanted to do this prank, so that's why I have you guys here today, because I want to do a prank on my grandmother. Let me just fall back. Okay, so let's go. Hold on, guys. Alright, okay, I'm sorry. So my little sister did this. My little sister did this because she said it's her purse. She said, look, I just wanted to show y'all this. I don't play with Barbies, but I just had to take this from my little sister to show y'all because I knew y'all would laugh. My little sister made this. Oops, hold on. She made this cute, adorable purse. She made another one, so I'll show you guys in a second. It even has glitter on it. Like, that's why I love my sister. And this other one, I like this one much better. I like this one because it looks like it has the little eyes at the top, and the handle is a lot thinner than the other one. So that's what this is. And comment down below which purse you like better on her. Hold on. Let me put it on. I don't even know how to do this stuff. Do you like the short purse or the long purse? I like her hair. This bun is cute. Like, look at that bun. Her hair is cute. Anyway, do y'all like this purse? The long, shaggy purse? I think she likes it. So don't drop your purse now. Do y'all like this purse? Or do y'all like this purse? Which purse? Comment down below which purse you like. Oh shoot. Alright, so I'm about to put my little sister's purses back so she doesn't see me with them. I only got these from right here because her toy box is right here. So, alrighty. The first, okay, this is what I do. Which of the following would be best? The best to your face with this piece. Free your mind. use multiple textures. No, it wouldn't be the third one. It wouldn't be the second one. It would be this one, the last one. Which of the following is the best evaluation of the artwork based on the the artwork is successful because it features only a full-clothed raven-headed rain creature. The artwork is successfully because it features a pretend landscape. The artwork is unsuccessful because a human form with wings is believable. The artwork is unsuccessful because it is very realistic. It's not real, so it wouldn't be the last one. I think it would be this one. This artwork is unsuccessful because a human form with wings is believable. No, it wouldn't be that either. The artwork is pretty called creature. I think it's the second one. Which is the best way to fully understand a genre of art? Alright, I'm about to submit this test. Hopefully I got all of these right, because if I don't, I will cry. Okay, let's see if I got any right. If I didn't get any right, then I don't know. So I'm gonna close my eyes. You guys get the first look. Is it a good test or is it a bad test? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a bad test. I got all of them wrong. And it was only 3. I gotta retake that. And I forgot we can't retake quick test. But that is the one I was showing y'all for now. So, good luck. Have a good day. It's like, this ain't the real test I'm supposed to be taking. So, this is not my real work. My real work, I'm not going to show you, but I got all of them right. And this is just a skit of how I do my work. So, I will see y'all guys soon. And holla at me on my Instagram is Brazzy, B-R-A with 2 Z's, BRAZZY.GOCRAZY. Brazzy.go-crazy is my Instagram. And follow me. Come like and subscribe on this video. And that's it. That's all I need y'all to do. And have fun. Have a good day. Have a good school year. Have a good summer. Have a good everything. So I just wanted to show y'all something. I'm not having much of a good school year. Wait. See those two? I'm not having much of a good school year, you guys. I just want you guys to have a good school. Please don't do what I did and make the same mistake. Psych. Got you. Alright, bye you guys. See you another time. Hold on. Alright.